editing and adjusting your reading settings. Alright, so the first item is your homepage displays. By default, it's set to your latest posts, but most people want to build out a custom homepage, so you want to click on a static page right there. Now, what page will be the homepage? You actually have to create a page and set it as the homepage over here. Same with the post page. The post page is easier because that should be your blog page. So let's go ahead and set a homepage. So let's click over here for all pages and then click on add page right there. And then literally title this homepage. X out of that. Homepage. Click on publish. Publish again. All right. Now let's navigate back over here. Click on the WordPress icon. Go back to your settings, and then let's click on reading again. Now click on static page. The homepage will be homepage. The post page will be the blog page. Simple as that. Now your blog post page, this page right there, or your latest post, if you have it set to that, this is what controls how many blog posts will be displayed. Typically, you're going to probably use a masonry grid layout, so like boxes like 3 by 3 or whatever. So you typically want to keep this as like an odd number. So like maybe 9 makes a little bit more sense. Each post in a feed, full text or excerpt, I'd probably keep it as full text. Search engine visibility, discourage search engines from indexing the sites. Do not check this. You want the search engines to index your website so you get organic search traffic. So let me click on save changes. So right over here, we saved everything. Now you can see the blog page is taking the post page and the home page is taking the front page. So what does this mean? So let's navigate over here to the appearance. Let's open up the editor right there. And if you're using a theme that's using the full site editor, it's going to inherit the template over here. So let's just take a look. Homepage, or sorry, the blog is taking the post page. So where's the post page? Let's take a look. Blog home. There we go. So blog home right there. So this page right there is taking the post page. It's inheriting this blog home layout. So let me click over here for that. And X out of that. So the template right there, as you see, it says blog home. Right here, blog home. That's where it's controlling that. All right, so let me back out of that. Now we have the home page. Home page is taking the front page. So let's click over here. Home page. But right now, the home page is taking the page templates. Where's the page template? Page template is right here. Now, if you click on add template over here, you're going to notice something that says front page. So you can click over here for front page, and then you can custom design the home page of your website right over here. So this will be the template, the design and layout of your home page. Okay, so that's how this works. So let's click over here for this nice big one right there. Looks good. Let me click on save. There we are. And so we've just added a template. So now we see the front page right there. So now if we take a look at our site, just as a quick example, it should be inheriting that design. Yep, perfect. So that's how this all works. That's why you want to set this as the front page, so it inherits the front page template that you then can customize to your liking. Now, if you happen to be using a theme that doesn't use the full site editor, the way you'd customize your homepage is literally clicking into the homepage and then just using the block builder over here, clicking on the blocks and adding in different blocks to custom design this page over here. Because right now, if you're going to add in blocks, I could add in whatever block I want over here. So let's click on browse all. We'll just click on patterns over there, starter content, whatever. Click on that. Done. All right, click X away from that. So we have all this content right here, but it's not going to be displayed. Why? Because this is currently set to the front page template. So the front page template, which is right here, overrides anything you put in on the actual page itself, because we want to customize the front page template to customize your homepage. That's only if your theme is using this full site editor. If it's not, then you have to navigate directly to the page itself to customize the homepage. Anyways, let's back out of this. We'll go ahead and leave. Let's navigate the settings, reading right there. And there you go. So that's what you need to know about the homepage display and how to set a homepage and set the blog post page and so forth. Then your blog post page will show 9 posts at most, the feed, search engine visibility. So that's really all you need to know for your reading settings.